Alright guys, welcome back. This is the last and final part of the 120 packs of Hidden Fates. So, every stack here is basically the shinies, full arts, ultra rares, etc. And then we get the holographic rares and stuff. I think I threw a couple of reverses in there, um, but I guess that's fine. I'll sort them out later. But we're here for the shinies and the shinies alone, and of course the ultra rares. But here we go. The last 24 packs. Part 2 was pretty amazing. We got a gold card, and we got some amazing pulls too. So let's see if this last 24 packs here can give me something good. Um, like I said, if I don't get a Charizard, that's fine. If I get one, that's amazing. And of course, I get the Psyduck with the headache. And I'll put that focus on the Psyduck there. And Kangaskhan and Erica's Hospitality. Alright. Alright. We got the Eevee here. We have Gabite and Brock's Training. Alright. So, again, I'm making my pile. Sleeve with the Gabite. I did find some more sleeves. I'll try to sleeve some shinies here and there. I don't have a lot of sleeves. So I'm trying to save it for like the full art ones, and if they're like, very expensive and stuff. So we have Geodude, Bill's Analysis. Hey, that's pretty good rare. Alright, let's see what we get here. Caterpie, Jolteon, Missy's Water Command. Alright. Another code card for you guys. Lucario. Hey, that looks so cool. Alright, I'll sleeve up the Lucario. That looks really cool. I don't think I have one yet, so put that there. Alright, Geodude. What do you have for us? Oh, it's a shiny. What is it? It's a shiny Lucario with a Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. Now, I think that one I have. So let's leave up the Lucario GX full art. What are the chances of getting a Lucario back to back? One being the regular one and one being the shiny full art. Alrighty. Got Eevee, Fairy Energy, and another Eevee. So double Eevee. Cool. It's not something you see every day. Got another Psyduck with a headache. Alright, Psyduck. We have Scyther and Electrode. Alright, we got a Voltorb here. We got Koga's Trap and Giovanni's Exile. So not bad. It's our first full art trainer of this opening. Probably pulled like 5 or 6 of those by now. Overall, we have here, we got Mr. Mime and a Raichu. So it's cool. It's cool to have in the collection. Alright, so we got Pikachu here. We have Alolan Vulpix with Butterfree. Alright, let's leave up the Alolan Vulpix. I think that's worth a couple dollars. I think most of the shinies are worth a couple dollars, but the more that, like, useful they are, I guess, in the card game, or they have, like, for example, with that Alolan Vulpix, I think that was in a theme deck. Ooh, I see something. That is Reshiram GX. Nice. Full art shiny. But like I was saying, the Alolan Vulpix was, a thing with the Alolan Ninetales. But look at that beautiful Reshiram GX. Well, it has some amazing gold to it. So that's very cool. It's like one of my favorite shinies. But I mean, could have, have Zekrom in here too. That'd been really cool. Alright, I got Eevee, Pokemon Center later, and Zapdos. Alright. We're almost done. We're like halfway, I think. I think. Reverse Water Energy and Electrode. Alright. We have here Cubone, Jolteon. Have Caterpie. Oh, I see something. It is an Electrode. Shiny full art. It just looks at me and it's like, hey, what are you doing? Not bad. Alright, so let me do this real quick. Throw that. Throw those plastic away. And then the packs. Sweet packs. We got Hidden Fates code. Have Caterpie, Mr. Mime. We are down to our last 6 booster packs here. I'll do a grand finale recap of everything that I pulled. Graveler and Zapdos. That might be my like 10th Zapdos already. Whoops. Alright, so we got a Staryu. Got Giovanni's Exile and a Golem. Alright, so here's the last 4 packs. This should be from the last tin that I bought. I didn't really separate them anything like that. So we got a shiny Garchomp. Hey, I don't have that one yet. So, shiny Garchomp. Yeah, I guess I'll put them into the piles over there. But yeah, last couple packs here. Let's see what I can pull. Got wow, okay. Reverse Metal Energy and a Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno full art Rainbow Rare. Rainbow Rare. Yeah, not a full art, but a Rainbow Rare. Oh man, that looks beautiful. So we pulled the full art, the Rainbow Rare, and the regular ones, I believe. Alright, so let's see what we get in this pack. Eevee with Kangaskhan. Alright, moment of truth. Last pack, and I'll slow roll this one. I'll open the pack the old-fashioned way. But I do want to put the reverse in that slot. So, alright, Psychic Energy. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Pokemon Center Lady. Sabrina's Suggestion. Cubone. Eevee. Clefairy. Psyduck. Ekans. Mr. Mime. A Diancie shiny for our last card. Alright, so just gonna get all the cards, do a huge recap. Probably not gonna take a look at the holographics, that's a lot. But let's take a look at the shiny cards. So, Diancie, Garchomp. We got a couple of along Vulpix, Lucario, Gabite, Xurkitree, Ralts, Gabite. Vulpix again, Sudowoodo, Metang. We got a ton of Metangs. I think I can make a Metagross deck now. Froakie, Charmander, Ralts, Rockruff, Alterias, Gabite again, Rockruff, and Oranguru, which is actually pretty good. So those are all the shinies. And our huge fat stack here of ultra rares. So we didn't get the shiny Charizard, but we got some amazing pulls. We got full arts everywhere, shiny full arts. Got Moltres and Zapdos, Electrode, Reshiram, Lucario, and amazing cards. Yeah, it's a lot of shiny stuff. Man, look at that. We got Full Art Trainer Lady, kind of misprinted or miscutted there. Bayonet, Grid Ninja, Tapu Fini, Gold card. I think that was actually the highlight of the video. That was really, really cool. First time pulling a gold card out from that set, or the subset. Um, and we got the Darkrai, which looks amazing. Hiker, Mewtwo GX, I think the top 5 most expensive card from the set. Reshiram looks really cool. And a Gyarados. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched through all the part 1 through 3, thank you guys. That's means a lot to me because it's like once a year I can get to do these crazy openings. So if you guys would like this video, that'd be really cool. I mean, if you want to subscribe, that's even better. And I know that with the new thing with YouTube, it's getting a lot harder for us content creators to get money through ad revenue and so on and so forth. But yeah, I'll try my hardest. Leave that like, share, comment, subscribe, and that will help me a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And this is Arrow Dragon, and I'm signing out.